Alright, so it has been a minute since I have used the Blackstone. I think the last time I mentioned the Blackstone, I was cleaning it. So, it's been gathering dust in my garage. Time to bring it out. Let's make sliders. And yes, we are back to the slider fix. Today is going to be chicken Philly sliders, and more importantly, Cajun chicken Philly sliders. Super simple today. I am going to make kind of a garlic aioli type sauce for this, but keeping it simple. We got some red onion, we got a green pepper, we'll make the sauce, we got some shaved chicken, I got my Hawaiian rolls that I'll use, and then if you want, you can add peppers to it. I'm going to add some hot peppers. You don't have to. You can just do the green pepper and the onion. That's fine, but you can either add some banana peppers, or what I'm going to do, because once again, I'm a hoe for hot peppers, that is my giardiniera mix. So, there's that, but let's make a sauce. So, in a small bowl, I have a 1/3 cup of olive oil mayo. To this, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm going to add about a 1/2 teaspoon of cracked pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of lemon juice, then about a 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pepper. All right, and then we'll give that a good mix. All right, now that that's done, we're gonna now cut some onions and peppers. And I just have 1 green bell pepper, and I'm just going to thinly slice my green pepper. Set him off to the side. And because it is just me and I am one person, I'm going to use 1/2 of a red onion. All right, so peppers and onions are sliced. I have my shaved chicken breast, and then we're gonna put mozzarella cheese on this. Like I said, I got my Hawaiian rolls, and then I'm using this Bayou Cajun blend for the chicken and the veggies as well. I got my oil, my sauce, and then I'll add my hot peppers to this, or like I said, you can do banana peppers. So, to the Blackstone. Beautiful. Smells amazing. Let's add our sauce and our peppers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the top layer. All right, and then my hot peppers. And frankly, whether you do Cajun or not, I highly recommend the peppers. Whether it's these or banana peppers, I feel like it's just meant to be. All right, and then top bun on. All right, and I switched out cutting boards to make presentation look nicer, but let's eat. All right. Whoa, I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna dig into this one. I already dug into this one, but let's see if I can get another cheese pull. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's not as much, but oh yeah, oh yeah. Cheers. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, this is fantastic. So honestly, the almost acidity of the sauce, that garlic aioli, with that little bit of lemon juice and the lemon pepper kind of joining forces, if you will, really kind of cuts through everything. Because yeah, the chicken's lean, but you've added olive oil to it, and there's the mozzarella cheese, which even though it's, you know, a low fat cheese, it's still got some fat to it, but it really cuts through all that fattiness that is in there, and it just adds a little bit more to it. And it's almost refreshing in a way. Yes, it is a mayo sauce, but something about that lemon juice just kind of balances everything out. And then obviously with the soft dinner rolls, it works. And there's obviously like a little bit of crispiness from the toasted part of the rolls. This is awesome. And there's just the right amount of heat It's not overbearing. Yeah. Man, I have missed doing Blackstone. I'm going to enjoy that. Well guys, there you have it. Chicken Philly sliders on the Blackstone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you're new, make sure to hit that sub button, throw a comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and as always, peace out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!